Today video we will learn to use the copper field zone into our PCB board. A copper field zone, also called copper pool or copper plane, is like a reel of copper that you pull or fill on your PCB instead of drawing individual tracks. So now here, I don't want to use the track of ground, so I'm gonna delete it. And then I'm gonna use the copper field zone instead. Alright, our board circuit now, I'm gonna use the copper field zone for ground. It's gonna have the light current. So now look at the right side, click the front copper layer, click on here, and then find the field zone, click here. So let's click, and then notice I'm gonna use ground, and then look at paired connection, click the solid, click OK. I'm not detailed about this drawing, so now do like this. Okay, you can press B in your keyboard now. Click B. So now here, our board circuit has been connected to the ground instead of drawing the track. Go to 3D viewer. So as you can see now, I'm gonna fix something here. So by clicking this track, and I'm gonna move it to here, do like this. Okay, as you can see now, our board circuit is too big. Okay, I'm gonna click the design checker, clicking here, and then run the DRC, click run, wait a little bit, and then close. As you can see, our board circuit have full also now.